Hey, are you just as excited as I am for the Sony ECM-B1M? Nobody can name a product like Sony, and the ECM-B1M is no different. Wait, I don't even know if I just said that right. ECM-B1M. Yes, the ECM-B1M. Now, though the name might be kind of whack, yes, I use the term whack, the product itself is actually cool and an all-new shotgun mic that Sony announced alongside the A7R Mark IV. So here's what Sony has to say about their all-new and digital shotgun mic. When connected via the multi-interface shoe of a compatible camera that features built-in digital audio interface, the audio signal is directly transferred to the camera in digital form so that no degradation can occur. The simple switch also provides compatibility with a wide range of cameras using an analog interface. As of right now, only 2 Sony cameras support this new shotgun mic, the A7R Mark IV and the new RX100 Mark VII. But again, as Sony notes, even if your camera doesn't support the hot shoe required, you can actually plug in this shotgun mic via a traditional audio cable and really utilize it with any camera that you have. In all likelihood going forward, all new cameras released by Sony will support this new hot shoe mount, which will make this shotgun mic compatible with all of Sony's products without needing to actually connect an audio cable. Now, 3 highlights of the new shotgun mic include super directivity in a compact mic, 3 directivity modes, and mechanical noise suppression. So what exactly do those 3 modes mean? Well, when it comes to super directivity in a compact mic, Sony describes it as 8 high-performance microphone units work with a newly developed beamforming algorithm to provide extremely sharp directivity that effectively rejects off-axis sounds. All this is achieved in a remarkably compact microphone that is only 3.91 inches in length. 3 directivity modes is described as advanced digital signal processing makes it possible to offer 3 switchable directivity patterns in one versatile microphone: super directional, unidirectional, and omnidirectional. It offers an advanced shock and vibration suppressing design, effectively minimizing low frequency or handling noise that can degrade audio quality. The absence of connecting cable also means that noise can be transmitted to the microphone mechanically via cables and connectors. The new Sony ECM-B1M shotgun mic is priced at $349 and should be available to purchase by the time you're watching this video. Now, things that can't be purchased are the subscribe button and the notification button. So that's something that I'm gonna need you guys to do. Put your shotgun mics aside, put your Omni mic directional mic ECM-B1M thingamabobbers aside, and just hit that subscribe button, because according to analytics, 95% of you are not subscribed to this channel, but you're still watching my videos. Do me a favor, hit it, and then hit that. And then on Instagram, hit that heart button. It's like an upside down heart. What is that? Facebook? The heart upside down? Is it like a sinking heart? Abandon ship!
So, are we happy?
Yeah, it worked out great. So let's keep the 7,000 users that I bought and add another 1,000 a day for the next week.